Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Mini Cooper windshield wipers. Full guide. Start by lifting the wiper arm and locating the release tab at the blade connector, then depress the tab and slide the old blade off. Inspect the arm and hook for damage, clean the contact area with a cloth, and align the new blade so the connector clicks firmly into place before lowering the arm carefully. Gently press the release tab and slide the old blade out of the hook-style connector, keeping a steady hold on the arm. If your Mini Cooper has a pin or clip style, rotate the blade to align the release and slide it free. Always support the wiper arm to prevent it from springing back onto the glass, and keep replacement blades nearby so you can install a new one immediately to avoid contamination. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. Grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth if you want a friendly, compact book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with saving for car maintenance. Check the description for the link, other deals, and related tools, and now let's get back to the video. Align the new blade with the arm connector, slide it in until you hear a solid click, and tug lightly to confirm the fit. For bayonet or pin styles, ensure any retaining clips are seated and not bent, and for hybrid blades, match the curvature to the windshield. Once both blades are installed, lower the arms gently, run the wipers with washer fluid, and listen for smooth, streak-free motion to confirm a good install.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.